Is your Apple account grayed out? Or perhaps the Sign Out button is unclickable? Now, let's go through the steps to fix this issue. Visit the Apple System Status page to check if the Apple ID service is running normally. A green indicator next to Apple ID shows that the service is operational. If not, the server may be temporarily unavailable, and it's advised to wait for Apple to resolve it. Go to Settings and tap Screen Time. Then, select Content and Privacy Restrictions and ensure it is disabled. If it's enabled, tap Account Changes and set it to Allow. This should immediately unlock your account options. If disabling restrictions doesn't resolve the issue, try turning off screen time entirely. Open Settings, go to Screen Time. Scroll to the bottom, tap Turn Off Screen Time. Enter the screen time passcode to confirm. Next, go to Settings, then General, and look for VPN and Device Management. If your device is managed, you'll see a profile listed here. If allowed, you can tap the profile and select Remove Management. This may require a password, or you can use MagFone iPhone Unlocker to remove it. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Try the following steps to restore connectivity. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi, or restart the router. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, or forget and rejoin the network. A stable internet connection is essential for account accessibility. Disable VPN if in use. Open Settings. Tap your name at the top, and then select iCloud. Check if any apps are syncing. Pause the sync for large data apps, such as photos. By toggling the switch off, you can also check iCloud Backup to check if data backup is in progress. Once the sync and backup stops, try accessing your account again. In certain cases, removing and resetting the Apple ID can resolve the issue. For complex procedures, users can use professional iOS unlocking tools like MagFone iPhone Unlocker, which supports all iOS device models. Click Unlock Apple ID. Click Start. If your iPhone does not have the Find My feature turned on, MagFone can remove your Apple ID without data loss. If the Find My feature is turned on, please ensure the device has a passcode set and two-factor authentication turned on. After confirming the device information is correct, click Download to download and verify the firmware package. Click Unlock to start unlocking the Apple ID. Enter your device passcode to use your iPhone normally. If none of the above methods work, you can choose to reset all device settings or even erase data to restore it to default. Go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset All Settings and enter the passcode to erase data.